description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. But today, these aren't instant noodles, but you would find them where you would find instant noodles. Say you were in Dubai, I think the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the KSA. And soon in Europe. This is good Seoul, like Seoul, Korea. This is Topokki, and I think this is rad that they've got this in the Middle East. I guess that's the Gulf. But yeah, they sent me this stuff, and I'm like jazzed. This should be good. But you would find something like this on the same aisle that you would find the ramen or things of that ilk, instant noodles. And I've done quite a few things that are, you know, near the ramen. Like porridge, for example, like congee. I'll do those too. So this should be pretty quick. This is not seasoning. It won't kill you if you eat it, but it's not seasoning. This is what tteokbokki looks like in its uncooked form. They are tubes of, they're rice cakes. They're real good. Well, on their own, it's like, there's a thing called lontong, which is pressed rice. On its own, doesn't taste like anything. It's all about the sauce, and that's the same thing with tteokbokki. Generally, you would go out to a bar. Everybody would be drinking soju, and then you'd get something to eat, and you'd get some tteokbokki or Korean fried chicken, and continue your partying up. So here comes the flaky flakes. There's quite a few varieties they sent, and they're in cups and they're in packs like this. It says you put a half a cup of water in the pot, and you do it for 2 to 3 minutes. I like my tteokbokki to be done, so I'm going to do it for 3 minutes. I mean, it may be done in 2, but I'm just going to do it for 3. Okay, let's dump this in. Come on. What's the deal here? Oh. Oh, whoa. So there's an outer, check this out. There's an outer and an inner, and I didn't bust through the inner. I haven't had that happen. But I guess there's a first for everything. That should do the trick. Yeah, that certainly did the trick. Alright, and this will take 3 minutes. And yes, you get to watch. It's time for your boiling voyeurism time. And I like to watch. Oh yeah, today is the 14th day of July, 2025. And I guess now is not a great time to be in Texas because there's a lot of flooding. That sounds pretty horrible. But, you know, I guess there's horrible things that happen everywhere. But there's good things, though. Like tteokbokki. I'll have to remember. I've never seen a sachet like that. A dual layered sachet. That's pretty cool. I will admit, I tried one of the cups. My daughter tried one of the cups too. She had the cheese tteokbokki and she devoured that. And I tried the kimchi and that had a good kick to it. I was impressed. Oh, here come the birds. I don't know if you heard that, but we have these birds. We've got a bird feeder. It's cool, but they're really messy. They knock birdseed all over our patio, our deck, our outcropping, if you will, and yeah, it's a mess. Plus, when the seeds, my wife's got a garden out there, and when they get in the garden, they can sprout. So it's like she's got a weed for the bird seed. It's a fun. I am gonna add these in too. Well, I'll wait. Yeah, I highly recommend tteokbokki. It is soul food. It is good for the soul. And all right, here we go. Let's give this a try. I'm curious. 3 minutes of tteokbokkifying. I guess that's a term. Here, let's get you in on this. I've been known to refer to this as Korean beefaroni, but it's not trying to offend anybody in any way, shape, or form. But some people seem to get offended. But I don't know. Yes. Ooh. Nice little kick to it. Standard thing you'll find in tteokbokki is kamaboko, which is a fish cake. And those are going to hop in there. And you can't see that. You're not allowed. You're allowed, but yeah. We have Korean grocery in nearby that has tteokbokki, and it's usually got Busan fish cake. It'll have this kind of fish cake. I think I had little bits of carrot in it too, and it was really quite good. Nothing wrong with a little bit of tteokbokki. Okay. Now it's not a soup, that's a sauce. You can call it what you want, but there we go. So there's one. Come on, no, let's not make a mess. I don't want to spend all day on the side of the bowl. Which yeah, I'm known to do. I'll spend a lot of time on image editing and such. Okay, what am I adding here? Oh, I've got more Chinese sausage. Seems like a good combo. Chinese sausage is real good. I think. Off times, the times that are oft, I would add, what do you call it? Egg. But I don't think today. I'll save some egg. But I am going to add a little bit of this pepper thread. Not that much. Right there. And some sesame seed, and we're going to call it a day. You don't need a gaping fortitude of seed. All right. So there you are. If you've never had tteokbokki, I highly recommend it. This one will work just fine. Try it. Well, thank you very much for watching today. The next one you're going to see is another variety made in Korea, for this one for the US market. This is Tteokki Gin Mild, the new packaging, and it seems like it'll be really good, so I am ready to rock this next. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Try tteokbokki. Have a good one. Bye-bye.